Hi kids! Wow! Today we are going to meet 25 colorful birds from around the world. They are bright, beautiful and super fun to look at. Scarlet macaw. This is a scarlet macaw. Peacock. This is a peacock. This is a mandarin duck. Gouldian finch. This is a Gouldian finch. Resplendent quetzal. This is a resplendent quetzal. This is a rainbow lorikeet. It wears red, green, yellow and blue. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. American goldfinch. This is an American goldfinch. Flamingo. This is a flamingo. Lilac-breasted roller. This is a lilac-breasted roller. Scarlet tanager. This is a scarlet tanager. This is a keel-billed toucan. Wood duck. This is a wood duck. European bee-eater. This is a European bee-eater. Turquoise-browed motmot. This is a turquoise-browed motmot. Painted bunting. This is a painted bunting. Indian roller. This is an Indian roller. Sun conure. This is a sun conure. Baltimore oriole. This is a Baltimore oriole. Green-winged macaw. This is a green-winged macaw. Paradise tanager. This is a paradise tanager. Roseate spoonbill. This is a roseate spoonbill. Blue jay. This is a blue jay. Crimson rosella. This is a crimson rosella. Victoria crowned pigeon. This is a Victoria